welcome in, y'all. Today is a beautiful day. As you guys can see, the sun is shining. There's no more rain. And today we are going to get this beef steak tomato planted in this pot right here. So I'm gonna pull out this little, I don't know what that was, if it was a weed or a plant. And I already dug the soil up. Already put some fertilizer in there. And as you guys can see, the roots have started going down to the bottom. And I'm gonna take these two little leaves off that part right there and put him in there, and then just put the soil back around. Kind of push him down a little bit. And then cover him. And as you guys know, if you don't know, you can plant tomatoes deep to make their roots grow stronger. And then I'm gonna take some of this mulch that's right here, and I'm just gonna put it along the top area. Just to make sure that soil underneath stays moist. And we're gonna water him in just a little, just to make sure that everything has good contact. Alright, and there you guys have it. Our first beef steak tomato is in the garden. Let's get a label. We have our label, and we're gonna just put it on the side right there. Move that stick. And there you have it, guys. Now let's get to planting all 47 other of our tomato plants. that soil is not moving very much. So what I'm gonna have to do is go in and add some perlite to the soil because it's pretty heavy. And let's get our label. And I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, so this is beefsteak tomato number 3. What I did was I mixed the soil in this bucket with the soil in the previous tomato that I just showed you guys. I mixed those two because this one has more, not the perlite, but the other rock. I'll put it on the screen. I can't think of the name of it. This soil had more, so I mixed those two together to make the soil more free draining, and I watered it in, put some mulch on top of this. So this is beefsteak tomato number 3. And then we have to find some more containers to put our the rest of our beefsteak tomatoes in.